Welcome to KS Photography. This is my website. Here is my opening page with my navigation up here. These are the good things that are happening at KS Photography. KS Photography, here's my free session that I'm offering to a military family for the month of July. Here is also, you can see the buttons that you can share my website easily for social media. As you go down, this is my greeting cards section that kind of shows those. This is kind of a showing of my engagement pictures, where you can purchase sessions. Also, my grad baptism and missionary pictures. It also has the button where you can purchase a session. And here is some of my wedding photography moments. Also with a contact for availability and prices. And then if you go here, you can see this is about me and my family. And here are my services that I offer. It talks about how we can customize the packages with the button to go to the contact page. Here are my different options that you can look at and see. Missionary and baptism. And then you can do that with all of these different options here. And then you can go to my greeting cards page, where there's bundles for sale. Or you can customize your bundle by, here's the whole list of cards. And there's also a contact me for customized card bundles. And we're back up to the other part of the cells. Here's my contact page. And also my blog that has simple things that can make a difference in your pictures. And it's just a little blog that has some ideas on how to improve pictures, just different things that I've seen throughout the years that people don't think about sometimes when they're getting their pictures done. Anyway, I hope you liked my website and how it works and everything. I'm excited to see everybody else's websites and see what things that you have come up with. And thanks for your time. Bye.